Okay, so today is day number 7 and we have just completed the first 50 miles. My mile walk to get to where I'm starting to today took us past that point. So 950 miles left to go, which is great. This is day 7, so in the first week we've done over 50 miles, which is great. So I'm doing a small loop around Woodmancote village and just the hills and bits around it. So a bit of a shorter day today, shorter walk. I was just going to have a day off today, or a rest of a day, and go out for a bigger walk tomorrow, seeing as it's Sunday tomorrow. Yeah, so let's carry on, crack on with this one. So I'm hoping today's walk is going to be a little less muddy than yesterday's horrific mud bath, but true to form, following OS Maps advice, I'm in the mud again. Joyful. Okay, so we're actually on proper public footpaths this time. Back on, so that's good. Oh, and look at that, isn't that pretty? Nice view of Woodmancote, Bishop's Cleeve, Cheltenham behind it. Got the Malverns over there again. I'm going to obviously try and mix up all the routes and not go the same way twice on this 1,000-mile walk, so it keeps it interesting. There's lots to explore. I've done 50 miles of walking just around the local area, so I'm sure there's plenty more within short reach as well. So good. Hope we can do a nice quick walk today. It's about 6 miles, I think. So under 2 hours. The loop 6 miles, and then the mile here to get to it and back again. So 8 miles in total. Should be able to do that in 2 hours. Hopefully, if it's not too muddy. Oh, you're right.
Oh, yeah.
So today is Saturday, so there's going to be a fair few people walking out and about today. But I really want to get a quick walk in today, so I'm not stopping and talking today. So on we go. Looks like it's going to be a nice house with a nice view. Great view. Fantastic. What a location to have a house. It's really nice houses up there. As with most of this area. Just a very affluent area, and even if you've got a small house, you've got a view, you're winning, aren't you? Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is our first farm of the journey, and we have to go through here to get to the public footpath. You can see all the new houses they put onto the back of Woodmancote and Bishop's Cleeve. And across over there somewhere was where I was walking yesterday. Okay, so it's mud again. I am testing these merrills right out. I've just landed my feet deep in. I'm gonna have muddy feet for the journey. Oh joys. Joy of joys. Okay, let's cross the railway. Okay, it's not so bad, it doesn't feel too bad. Just a bit of surface mud in the shoe, it's fine. Cracking on. Okay, so that's Nottingham Hill up there, and I'm basically going to be cutting through straight ahead of us there and then walking along the front of it, and then back down into Woodmancote. So it should be quite a nice walk. Doesn't look too steep or too kind of like it's going to strain me in any way, he says. So yeah, let's get moving. It's a nice little railway bridge as well. Hello! Good. Right, let's go. Okay, Nottingham Hill, 1 mile. Okay, the barn. Nice. Did you notice the way that that had a horse sign on it? I don't like bridleways, I like footpaths. Oh, there's one of those blue signs. Horrible. Blue is rapidly becoming my non-favourite colour. Alright, here we go. Let's go up the hill. Pretty nice view. A couple of buzzards over there. I think they're buzzards. Can't really tell. Yeah, I think they're buzzards. Nice. So far to go up, but I'll just show you that little view. It's a nice little view through the valley there. Okay, onwards we go. Yeah, it's all lies. It's a massive walk uphill. Yeah, worth the view though. Ooh. Almost there. We've got another probably 60, 70 foot, 80 foot elevation up there. Another 10 minutes up, a bit more maybe. Okay, let's get on with it. I've been concentrating on that view, but there's a little woods here, kind of funky. Looks like it really needs exploring at some point. Nice. Still on our way up. Sun's just coming out over the fields down there. It's really nice. Oh, right, well, we've reached pretty much the top of the elevation. We're just going to go up to that gate. So I'll show you that barn. Something in my shoe as well, so let's change that. So let's go up here, get the top point from this point, and then we're going to circle around the top of the hill back down into Woodmancote. Nice. Right, into the woods we go. What was I just saying about exploring the woods? Oh, there we go. Okay, it's coming out of the woods and it's a bit more difficult than it needed to be. There we go. I'll do it with one hand. Right, look at that. Makes the walking all worthwhile, doesn't it? Well, I've never seen this view before, so you're seeing it for the first time with me. It's a great view, really nice. You can even see the Brecken's penny fan, you can see Sugarloaf. That's pretty impressive. I'm not sure you'll be able to see it on here, but yeah, that's nice. I might not be the Brecken's, it might just be Sugarloaf, but pretty sure it's both of them. So that's South Wales from here, you can see. Back in some woods. A nice dry stone wall up on the top of the hill. View. Nice to see a bit of sunshine for a change. Okay. What I'm going to do is take this path down here. I was going to be walking all the way around there today, but unfortunately before I left I had a phone call which took half an hour for my walk time, and I need to be back, so this way it is. What a splendid view. Worth getting yourself in that view for. Fantastic. Oh, look at that bar now. Flying across there. Amazing. How cool is that? Right, let's get on down then. This is Bushcombe Lane, I think, maybe. And this house used to belong to the family of the drummer in my band, Scuzzy. Another drummer, if you've watched the previous video, Martin Van Dyke. He used to live here with his mum and stepdad did. Really nice view from the other side of that one. I wonder if they finished doing the garage up. A few nice parties in there, barbecues and such like. You can't see the garage from the road. This is an incredibly steep hill. It's a shame I didn't want to come down this way, but that's life. A new house going on that. Self-catering, if you need to stay with a view. There isn't much room. These houses that get to enjoy that view on a daily basis. Lucky, lucky people. View. Lucky people having a nice outdoor meal, and that. Nice just to have a look around, isn't it? You don't get to do that when you're driving around or you're busy with your life. You don't stop and appreciate it, do you? Let's see if this car runs me over or not. Some serious gates going on there. I think we're pretty much there to the bottom now. Okay, so that's another day done. Probably close to 6 miles, I thought, on that little stretch. Just walking back through Woodmancote, and yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Tim Walking 1,000 miles. Take it easy, guys.